stranger. Who are you? And how'd you manage to break through enemy lines? What? You defeated Red Nose? No, it can't be. Those dark crimson stains all over you. Are they really from Red Nose? I can't just go about introducing you to the captain without his approval. Wait here. I need to report your arrival to the captain. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting, but please bear with me. I must follow procedure. Captain Cliff is willing to meet you. Head over to the commander's tent.
I am Cliff, the commander of the Western Guard camp. So, you're the one who defeated Red Nose. The reports must be true. You seem to glow with victory as you stand before me. And the weapons and armor you have in your possession are from imps, a telling sign of your recent encounters. If only someone of your caliber had appeared before us sooner. I'd continue on, but it seems like you'd be better off unloading some of those items you have on you. It is important for an adventurer to travel light in order to stay out of danger. You also must be running low on health potions, knowing you made it this far. Why don't you stop by our vendors and stock up?
The front lines are just up ahead. Are you sure you don't need any more potions? Be sure to come visit from time to time.
Did you have a chance to look around? Come to think of it, where did you come from? Velia? What a coincidence. We've just received a request for reinforcements from Velia. It'll be difficult to send reinforcements to Velia, considering the current situation at our camp. There's also the matter of keeping Princess Jarette safe as well. Ah, yes. Why didn't I think of this earlier? I've heard you're quite skilled in combat. Why don't you help us? We need to rebuild our defensive perimeters destroyed during our last battle. Can you bring us some wood? This is good enough, thanks. The imps are roiling about and out to get us. We face troubling times ahead. But I believe the tides of battle will turn in our favor if we use the situation to our advantage. Can you continue helping us rebuild? have them quaking in their boots before long. I've come up with a plan to deal with the imps. We're going to leave our first line of defense in disrepair to lure the imps near our camp. Then we're going to cut off their retreat and blast them to oblivion with our cannons. The most important part of my plan is you. I need you to keep our enemies busy on the front lines. It looks like the imps have gathered near our camp to take revenge for Red Nose. You'll be doing me and my men a great service if you agree to man the front. My men will be right behind you, of course. This will determine the fate of our camp. We will find out when the battle ends. The cannons are ready! I've come to aid you! Victory would have been impossible without you. You have my deepest gratitude. You there, adventurer. I heard Velia put in a request for reinforcements. Things must be serious if they're asking for help, even with Takros there. I wonder if Velia is caught up with the same oddities we've encountered here. There have been many unsettling things happening around our camp lately. We even caught an ogre! These things should only be found in southwestern Kelfion. Wait, are you curious to find out what an ogre looks like? Fine by me, but it's your funeral. There are a ton of monsters nearby. Gray foxes should be a piece of cake. Yeah. foxes are very swift and deadly accurate. They are no mere nuisance. You did well.
Over here! You saved my life. Thank you. Oh no, they're coming again!
I heard you've helped us out yet again. Our debt of gratitude increases by the day. Ah, so you've seen the ogre we caught. It was being chased by a tree spirit, and we were barely able to capture it amidst the chaos. They are considered sacred, but they became violent. I might be able to help you get in. Let's go meet Jarette.
What? Oh, it's you. I heard you helped defend the camp. So you wish to visit the stone chamber. I mean, if Cliff approved, I guess I'll have to let you through. Do you know anything about archaeology? You must activate the artifact that's... Ugh, never mind. I'll let you in, but first, you'll have to do me a favor. Go tell Eden that he'll never step foot in Strandia again if he fails to complete the task I asked of him. What's with that puzzled look? Don't you know that I'm daughter to the king? I mean, lord. And it's Princess Jarette Domingot to the likes of you. Now be off on your way. That is, unless you'd like to finish the work Eden can't be bothered to do properly. I offer handsome rewards to those who do my bidding.
I hope Princess Domingot wasn't too harsh on you. She grew up pampered by my lord, so she has a way of taking people for granted. I can't let you go to some place like the Stone Chamber without being prepared. Talk to Hessenvale. She'll help you get ready.
It's you again! Everyone in our camp is so grateful for everything you did for us. I hope the things you bought from my shop helped.
The tree spirits will try to stop you. Be careful. The tree spirits will try to stop you. Be careful.
front lines are just up ahead. Are you sure you don't need any more potions?
Yeah! Yeah! Thank you for your help.
So it was you who rescued the soldiers held captive by the tree spirits. Thank you. I've already dispatched reinforcements to Velia. The situation there should be resolved by the time you return from the ancient stone chamber. There are way too many tree spirits here. It feels like they're trying to keep you away. Way too many tree spirits here. It feels like they're trying to keep you away. There are way too many tree spirits here. It feels like they're trying to keep you away.
You there! Halt! The stone chamber is under controlled access. What? Jarette sent you? Are you an archaeologist? I can't believe Princess Jarette has taken an interest in the stone chamber. I wonder if it's because of her fiancé Jordine. You'll find that there's something quite unsettling about this place. I've never seen anything like the things you'll find inside. The stone statues there seem as if they'd come to life and move at any moment. Gives me the shivers just looking at those statues. They won't come alive all of a sudden, will they? Look! Those round-looking things in front of the statues. The archaeologists who came by said they're ancient guardians. They were so excited to find one still intact. I wonder what makes those ancient guardians so special. Yes! Several murals were discovered here in the ancient stone chamber. No one had any clue what the drawings meant until Eden came. He's that guy over there. They call this one the Mural of Experience. And there are several more like it over there. Ah, I almost forgot. The message on that mural. You hear a lot of stories living around here. It's the story of Adana, one of the ancients. Apparently, he lived 2 lives. We're almost there. We recently discovered an entirely new chamber farther inside. I assume you're here to examine that black artifact over there?
You there? Who are you? The adventurer who stands before us seems to carry traces of dark energy.
You there, adventurer. Are you able to see the Black Spirit?
We were ready. This is all my fault.
No, Orwin. Under normal circumstances, we would have been able to trap the Black Spirit in the artifact. The artifact has been protecting the stone chamber for so long that it doesn't seem like it's working the way it should. the dark illusions that haunt you. Perhaps there is such a thing as fate. There's nothing left for us to do in the Stone Chamber. We failed to seal the Black Spirit. We must make our way outside as quickly as we can. Look, I understand that you don't trust us, but all we want to do is help. No, the energy absorbed by the Black Spirit has awakened the Ancient Guardian.